The crow was very thirsty. He flew here and there in search of water, but he couldn't find water anywhere. As he looked around, all the lakes were dry. He could not see even a drop of water. The crow decided to fly in another direction. As he flew a mile, he saw a pot laying on the ground. The crow happily flew down to the pot and peeked it in with great hope, but the water was at the bottom of the pot. The thirsty crow tried hard to put his beak inside the pot, but could not reach the water. The water in the pot was very low. He tried to move the pot, but it was heavy. He could not even tilt the pot alone. The crow began thinking of ways to get water from the pot. When he looked around, he saw a few stones lying on the ground. Suddenly, he had an idea. He started picking up stones in his beak one by one and dropped them in the pot. As the stones went down the pot, the water level started to rise. Now the crow was able to drink water. He drank the water happily and flew back to his tree.